Basketball, you betcha. I'm back in the gym, and you better be with me as we are here every day to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed for the game that you love to play every day. And I'm going to try to bring it to you each and every way. So today, let's get this workout underway. Let's go. Okay, you're going to spread them out wide, those legs. Okay, we're going to get our windmills. All right, with windmills, we're gonna have those legs. We're gonna have those arms stretched out, nice and wide, and we're here. Boom. Okay. Boom. Yep. Boom. Big. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. We just want to tap the front of those toes. You'll feel it in the hamstrings. That's for sure. Okay. Warming up those hamstrings as well. Get a couple more taps. Last one. Good. Okay, nice job. And now we're gonna go with twist. Okay, so we're keeping it very simple, almost like helicopters. Okay, we're coming here and we're twisting, keeping those arms straight, giving me a good twist. Good job. Nice twist. Now, you would think, why such an easy workout like that? When you're twisting, right? It's everything that you do when you play, right? We have to do so much turning and twisting, looking for the basketball, trying to get a steal, trying to turn and recover on anything that's happening in any type of play, whether it's offensively or defensively. So sometimes the simplicity of a skill or workout is needed. All right, let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, now we got twist jumps. So we twisted our body right there. Now we're actually going to jump and twist. Okay, so we're going to go here and we're twisting and we're twisting those feet. Getting those ankles warmed up, twisting up those knees, working on the movement of our body, going in different directions because it never really goes the same direction all the time when playing. So we're working our twist. 5 more seconds. Good job. Very good. Get you moving, get you breathing hard. Okay, so pogo squares are just you jumping around in a box kind of shape. Okay, you can find a square area, right, like the block on the court, or you can just jump around in your own imaginary square. You want to make sure the distance is good enough to where you're getting that work off of the balls of your feet. Okay, so you don't want to be flat-footed when you're doing this. You want to be on the balls of your feet. First jump is going to be forward. Okay, after you make that jump, the next jump is going to be this way. Okay, then the next jump is going to be directionally back the other way. Boom, and then you're going to be directionally over here. Boom. Okay, so that's your square. Okay, we're going to do it in a row, and you're going to do 4 jumps to count 1 rep. Okay, so 4 times boom, 4 times boom, 4 times boom, until you get to 8 to 10, depending on what your leg can handle. Because around number 3 or 4, it's gonna be burning. Might even burn on the first one. So here we go. Ready? Let's see. Right leg first. Okay. So again, like I said, as it burns, the square gets a little shaky, but again, just keep that motion. Every leg is stronger than the other, so my left might be a little bit stronger than my right. But here we go. We're gonna get into it. Now we're doing our left leg. We're gonna do 2 sets of these, okay? So here we go. We're here, left, up, up. I want to work that ankle strength, right? It's really going to help us with that ankle strength. You can kind of feel it right away when you do it, and then you kind of feel that burn through the soleus and the calf, right? So it's really good for you. Again, you can do this as many reps as you want to. I just go 8 to 10 because again, it's more of a warm-up for us opposed to a full exercise. But again, you can make it a full exercise as well. Great job. That one's tough. Let's keep at it. Okay, so now we're gonna go speed skaters. And remember, speed skaters is very simple. You're kind of balancing on that one leg and then we're exploding out, okay? We're keeping that balance. Boom, boom, load, boom, load, boom. Give me that like 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Give me that count, so at least I know you're getting a hold, right? Almost like we're skating down a hill. Last one, boom, okay? Good job. Okay, so the last warm-up we're gonna do, or the last exercise I should say, is now we're still gonna be here. We're still working that stepping over the hurdle. Okay, so now we're over the top, boom, right? Over the top, boom, over the top, boom. You get that first leg over, boom, get that second leg over. First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg. Now, you can do the same thing going the other way, facing this way, or you can do it going backwards, which is tough. Okay, so now we're going backwards. Ooh, ooh, trying to get over the hurdle. Almost imagine that there's really a hurdle right here, right now, as I'm trying to get over. Okay, getting over, getting over, getting over. Okay, now coming back, boom, boom. Good, 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 good. And then one more time back. Now we're going back, back, back. I can't even turn that leg sideways. Come on, get over. Ah, one more. Ah. Woo! My hips are tight. But that felt right. It definitely did. So that should get you nice and warm, hips loose, right? We did a little bit with the shoulders, did a little side bend, okay? And then nothing too crazy to where we got tired, but we worked those quads and that lower body, all right? See, basketball you, I told you could do it. You got through another workout again. It's easy, right? You just keep stacking days and it's easy, man. You get to relax, get your summer body right, and everything's all right. Hey, thank you for coming through as you always do, basketball you. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?